I sing a song about rainbow? Yes! Hello friends, I'm Tana. Welcome to my channel, Attribution. Let's sing the rainbow song. There's a rainbow in the sky. Do you know how it came by? The water to sunlight give the sky a pretty sight. Seven colors can be seen: red, yellow, and lovely green. Violet, indigo, and blue, and all in it too. Yay! I love rainbows. I can make a rainbow at home. Do you want to see? Let's go. I'm ready to make a rainbow. I have flashlight and CD and bowl of water. Let's get started. Go to a dark room. Show a flashlight on a CD. The wall. Violet, indigo, and blue, and green, yellow, orange, red. Let's see my rainbow face. Take the glass bowl. Fill it hard with water. Now, show the flashlight on the bowl and see the wall. What do you see? Wow, this is a rainbow. Friends, do you see the rainbow? Did you like it? Make it at home too. Till then, let's play, let's explore,